Hello, 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 Mr. Nicholas. We are on the live stream. I can't hear you. I see you on the. Yeah, okay. Okay.
Okay. Why is my mic? Is my mic on already?
And so,
Now you can hear me?
yeah, now I can hear you.
Okay, because just now, I don't know how, I clicked the mic just once, but it turned on and off again.
Ah,
So I think there was a accidental double click.
yeah.
So let me switch on my camera.
Now we are on the live too.
Right.
Uh,
So
yeah.
so the price is like uh, I think the whales, the institutions, they are very happy that they are able to uh, make a good margin from this round of bear.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the reason why I think this way is that you see, they don't just buy and sell one or two Bitcoin. they, they they buy and sell like uh, maybe a
That's
few thousand bitcoins at one go at least, you know. So imagine you have if you are trading 1,000 bitcoin, so that $3,000 margin is going to make you $3 million, right? So that's the way I see things going on their side. That's favorable to these large scale investors. So to them, it's like, well, no matter how the market move, it's still a good news for them. Yeah. So that's exactly what's happening right now. Yeah. So perhaps each time they'll just even sell 10,000 to make yeah, even bigger amount of money, since if the price is going down by $3,000 or going up by $3,000, 3,000 multiplied by 10,000, that's like $30 million really.
This means they are trading with the last amount, but I think in the in in the other side uh some ETF or some whole they
Yeah,
yeah,
I think the bigger thing now is the ETF,
yeah.
where I think that's the most money that can be made over there. If the way I see it,
Yeah.
I believe that ETF capture a wide group of or rather a larger pool of investors. Yeah, because not everybody not every individual would go and actually trade Bitcoin, but rather when they go on the exchange, ETF is the thing that they are more concerned about, because that's something that they is within their uh, it is part of what they understand the market to be, right? Yeah, because they are trading funds all the time, and Bitcoin ETF is just one of the funds that they're trading.
Yeah. When I check the Bitcoin price for last week, I see last week on the 11, 11 December, yeah, Bitcoin price reached 94,000. Uh,
Right.
and
Yes.
and then it's go down to the dip at 86,000 on 16 yesterday. Oh, yesterday 86
And there's
and
$8,000 margin down.
uh,
So if they're going to buy in now, and then when the price go back up to 90 or 92, that's like another round of money making, when the prices go up. Yeah, so I guess from now until New Year, 1st of
yeah,
January, I think the price would probably just floating perhaps around 90,000 or something, uh, until maybe next year after Lunar New Year, because Lunar New Year is February.
yeah,
So right now it's just their way of switching the balls, metal balls in their hands to just play with what the market is doing right now. Yeah. So hopefully our listeners are making money, not perhaps not on Bitcoin, but maybe on the on through the altcoins. But Bitcoin has a largest gain or something, right? Yeah.
and I found the news about Bitcoin outperform most of crypto sector despite 26% drop. Yeah, this is the news from the CoinMarketCap. Yeah, and the Glassnode is based on the Glassnode report. The firm noted that the dominant trend lower to a low for Ethereum rotation, but never fully reclaimed uh, the leadership of the world Bitcoin news. Yeah, uh, we we see that uh, recently Bitcoin have a little bit correction, and then when it go back to 86,000 and then it reland to 87,000 and near to 89,000. Yeah, and uh, there's a there are some factors that make the bigger price uh, reduce. So let me ask the um, CoinMarketCap AI uh, what what bigger price why bigger price up today. They have the three reasons: institutional optimism, technical rebounds, and sentiment shift. Sometimes I also see the technical rebounds. They also say that when the Bitcoin price about the 86,000, no, when the Bitcoin price about the 90,000 plus, they say that the Bitcoin price may correct may drop up to the 86,000 and then now it's drop to 86,000. Yeah, we also reach the next support around 80,000. Yeah. Um, Sometimes the drop of the Bitcoins is also the chance for some big investor jump in, buy slowly with this, and and in the macro economy, we see um, the Fed cut the interest rate, and they prepare to bring out the U.S. Uh, dollar to the market. And I see the news next year on the water one, every people will receive 1,000 to 2,000 support for the unemployed. Yeah, that is a way when the market when the government s- uh, uh, bring money to send to the people, ask the people go shopping to make it. Uh, that's why I also think that with the 1 or 2,000, what people uh, what will they do? Yeah, maybe they use for the leisure life and to buy something. Yeah, and that is one of the way to make the inflation go up and some value to go up. Beside Bitcoin, we also think about the gold because the price of the gold is also go up this time. Uh, uh, this now the gold price around 4,300 for the 1 ounce of the gold. It's also go up if we compare with the last year's. Last year's is around 3,008. Yeah, while some investor they also think about the gold too. Yeah, gold and yeah, it's interested in. Beside of that, some altcoins is also is a good chance to think about this. Uh, Last week, Ethereum have been upgraded to the new new version, upgrade the blockchain. Uh, Let me see the news, and we see the CB Morgan is also tokenized the money based on the Ethereum change. We see some of the good news on the on crypto about the MetaMask. Now the MetaMask will multi-chain with the native Bitcoin support. Yeah, it's also good. That's mean last time we know that Bitcoin is MetaMask is not support Bitcoin now. It's the we will talk we will talk live stream. It's for long time. I did not update this one with the Nicholas. Yeah. And uh, just let people know that we have the stream here. Disable now. Disable.
Today is the November the 7th, no, sorry, December the 17th.
Mm, yeah.
MetaMask has come a long way. How many years was that? The first time I know MetaMask was like 7 years ago or something.
Yeah, but there's
I think they started way
the
before that.
for before they people they also use the MetaMask. The MetaMask now is one of the favorite wallet
Yeah. I
on
saw quite a number of different coins in the MetaMask wallet. Yeah, and it's still there. Yeah. So now I'm using a few of them, like the Trust wallet, the MetaMask wallet. I think there's one or two more other wallets that I keep some various coins, bitcoins in these different. Yeah.
Let me try to see how's the MetaMask look like now. Yeah. Here's a MetaMask wallet. Yeah. We also easy can try. Yeah. Yes. Very easy. But sometimes if we use remember some of the sleep that may make you lose the 24 key. That means the best way is keep your private key safely. Some people they use MetaMask wallet to
I think the
choice.
most important, like you mentioned, is the private key and and whichever, because with that you can find your wallet even if you switch to a new mobile device. You can just use the key and unlock the wallet, and then you can have all the coins again, right? Yeah.
Yeah. But sometimes we oh this have the faucet. That means to let you receive the free crypto from the faucet. Yeah. Because sometimes we should keep the key on the browser, but we use the other app to reveal the key to let our wallet log into some of the app unsafe app, and we lost the key. We don't know. And the hacker will wait until your wallet is uh, have a lot of crypto, have a lot of money inside, and they just withdraw one time. Yeah. So sometimes when we use the online wallet, make sure that you go to the application is a real one, is called application. There are a lot of scam out there. Example, they ask you to connect your MetaMask wallet to choice to claim some free thing. Yeah. Of course, there's nothing free in the internet. Yeah, nothing free. Uh, uh, I see that uh, people are very interested in something free, and they easily reveal their privacy to to the public. If they want to receive a free example, you go to the multi shop. They say, "Oh, you give us your phone number. I will give you the free link." Yeah, and in the internet, if you give us your wallet, I will give you the free token. Example like that. Yeah. And next to the other news, I based on the the other news on Ethereum, I see the Vitalik push the full ZK group champion for algorithm. Yeah, this this news about updating the Ethereum exchange. And here the news I also want to share is about the ZB Morgan's launch a tokenized money market to fund money on Ethereum. Yeah, we see now the big company that invest in the infrastructure of the um, of the blockchains, not investing in just only the crypto. I also think that before they do that, they make the price of the crypto low as they can buy. Yeah, for its jump. Oh, I the delicate slide money. This is maybe a new token and copy image. And one more thing is nowadays we see the night the new token has launched the nicest one, the privacy one token. It's very bitterly, bitterly put. I also think because of the market now it was uh, I mean not exciting because we think the price of the crypto now is go down. We we don't feel we don't feel something good. Yeah, so when I check the news, of course, there's not so many news nowadays. Yeah, just something about updating, something to explain why the market that that's. Can you hear me clearly, Mr. Nicholas? Or did you?
I can hear you. The volume, the sound is okay. It's just that maybe uh, on and off you'll break a little bit. Yeah.
Uh, because I tried the new mic. Yeah,
Yeah,
that
yeah.
is the speaker with the mic internet. Yeah, so I don't use the headphone. Yeah, I just wonder if you got the echo or something. That
Oh,
means
there's no
it's
echo. It's just the on and off maybe is because of the signal issue, and but there's no echo. It's actually quite
yeah,
clear. Where
yeah.
uh, it's just that maybe the
Back to
signal a little sometimes.
the back to the live stream. I want to share you the fear risk index. Yeah, and now we are at 22. Yeah, yesterday is 24. People still fear. Yeah, still fear because the price go down. It look like this December we will receive the red candle, red last night. We feel that oh last night. What? The last note, Bitcoin, yeah, Bitcoin weekly, weekly plus, coin plus, coin plus. Sorry, just now I'm looking for the coin plus Bitcoin, chart, Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin weekly, Bitcoin weekly. Yeah. If we see about the on December Bitcoin price have a negative 2.76%. Yeah, it so that uh, on October, November, and December, Bitcoin have the decline. We are in the middle of December. Yeah, let's see how some Bitcoin price can rebound on December. But some of the people showing on the analysts on the trading field, they also say that Bitcoin may hanging around. This price not go to 80h, but I still hope, in my own opinion, I still hope that the Bitcoin price may have the big return based on the coin, the liquid class. We see the liquid map. Yeah, with the liquid map, we see the Bitcoin price with the price around 86,000. We see the last amount with this, and the Bitcoin around 91. Yeah, it look like the long and short theme. One Bitcoin running around 86,000 to 88,000. There's not much liquidity to, 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 to put in here because if we see here, this means a lot of order, so many order of the Bitcoin at the long, so many order at the short. That's why the short team they want the Bitcoin price go down to 86,000 or go down to 84,000 here. Um, with some team, they want the Bitcoin price go up to 91,000 at each chart, 89,000 or 91,000 here. Yeah, let's see how on the exchange we see in the exchange more and more order from here, and based on the hyperliquids, we also see that the long term bet a lot is last amount with the Bitcoin price 120. Oh, 120. 100. This is based on the hyperliquid liquidation map. Is it on the DEX? On the DEX, yeah. On the DEX, less of is also the short term. They also have the six 60,000. Oh, back to Nicholas. Just now I see it was a little bit quiet.
Little bit what?
Quiet. Yeah, it's silent. No, sorry.
Ah,
Um, yeah. So I have a question for you. What is uh, your own view about market or some factor that bring the market back to one person? Yeah.
I think the market will maintain, probably maintain as it is until January, until to the turn of the year. Yeah. So basically, because right now it, the traditional or the stock market, they are basically just chilling and slowing down at the same time. The activities are low actually. Yeah, maybe perhaps like what we always think, People are just more focused to want to relax or want to chill out and close out for the rest of the year, and then restart and re-kick in the engine from January onwards. In fact, when January onwards, when they start to go back to the go back to work, so to speak, yeah. So uh, it'll be a kickstart, and then you take some time to warm up the market as well. Yeah. So uh, mainly because a lot of major corporations, or especially those that are involved in engineering and production and manufacturing and all this, yeah. So uh, probably not the China one, because the China ones, they are always manufacturing things, so they are always active. But for the rest of the world, usually towards the end of the year, things get slowed down. In traditional, or rather in hardware companies, yeah. So the move, and in fact, quite a number of company owners in my social circle, they are like, holiday, you just leave everything slow, because uh, even for those SMEs where they import things and supply, and if they are main supplier, and they are still taking holidays because orders are slow. Everything is slow towards the end of the year. The only thing that is constant is shopping for clothes. You know what I mean? Yeah. So that's the only thing that is constant. Yeah. So besides that, the what I'm trying to emphasize here is the mindset. Yeah. So when they have the mindset to just slow down and relax, I think that will spill over to the way they feel about the stock market, crypto market, and they just want to chill.
Yeah.
you know, yeah. So and the only guys that are still very in the actively trying to make some money is those institutions where millions and billions has poured into their organizations in order to make money. They are the ones that are playing with margin right now. Yeah.
Yeah, with the price, if they have a little bit correction, sometimes it's without 3 to 5% is normal. We usually see on the crypto, uh, but uh, uh, if we back to the traditional market, yeah, sometimes if the total market go down 1%, yeah. Um, is very large number for the traditional investor. But in the crypto, because the number, that means the full the total market is very little. It's very small if we compare with the market cap on the between crypto and the traditional market. Crypto is very small. It look like the small cent in the last market cap of the stock and property. Yeah, that's why when sometimes we see some people using the traditional market apply to the crypto market, they see that, oh, Bitcoin price go down 5%, 10%. Yeah, it's make the emotion. They worry this price go down or some crypto asset go down, and they they show their weekend. Yeah, um, that's why in if we apply the traditional trading mind into the crypto trading, yeah, it's sometimes it's really hard, because sometimes we think that it's um, it will go down forever, yeah. But after it go down, it's rebound. The other big hand jump in and they hold the crypto and they get the profits, because one night Bitcoin price go up. I still remember a few years ago, one night Bitcoin go up 50%, 30% is normal, yeah. And
Yeah,
every
I remember that one.
yeah, every morning we wake up, we see the new all-time high. Yeah, uh, that's uh, that's look like the Wild Wild West. Um, and until now, the new that means until now there's some the big whale like the traditional institution, financial institution, they keep buying crypto Bitcoin with a large amount, and uh, they keep buying Bitcoin with a large amount when the price Bitcoin is still cheap, still is still low. How they can do it? Yeah, like macro strategy. When he said that the company will buy more Bitcoin this week or next week, and after that the price of the Bitcoin go down. Why? Why the price go down when they say that they will buy Bitcoin? Yeah, that's the question. But in my own opinion, I think that they may have two sides. One side market maker to dump the price first, and then the other side they buy. That's the way to let them buying the Bitcoin with a good price, the best price when the price the lowest in the market. Yeah. And now and this time maybe it's depend on the season. Yeah, Bitcoin price may hang around 80,000, 60,000, 70,000. Yeah, uh, it's up to the emotion of the people. Yeah, and after the holiday, I also think Bitcoin price will bounce back based on the macro economy of some government. They want to boost the economy go up, so they bring on more money. And at this moment, I think it, Bitcoin is hanging around nearly eight, nearly 90,000 milestone is enough. It's good for us. Uh, yes,
Yeah.
Mr. Nika.
Uh, just now when you mentioned something about uh, the price, dumping the price, dumping the coin, I
Yeah,
think I look at the hot topic here. The whale dump BTC's dump well, as BTC slides to 85,000. Yeah,
yeah,
so basically earlier on you also covered the ETF, right? Yeah, so ETF, ETF, like we all know, it's just like any other things you can buy and sell in the stock market and things like that. People can actually short sell ETF too, Yeah, so when they dump, I think they're just dumping Bitcoin on one hand, the other coin they're just making money from short selling as well. I mean, the Bitcoin they dump, right? They short they make money from short selling the ETF. Yeah, so short selling, in case there are some new listeners, is basically like buy high, you sell high and buy low. So short sell is a direct opposite of because short sell they show you the red color, they can make money when the market go down, right? The other one, the normal buying and selling, the green one is the one that you buy low and sell high. So that's basically how money is made. When the market is moving up, you can make money by buying low and sell high. When the market is moving down, you can sell high and buy low, and that's called short selling. Yeah, so I think they're making a lot of money by short selling ETF,
yeah.
Bitcoin ETF.
When I
Yeah,
check the Bitcoin ETF data, they showing that yesterday is a large amount. ETF,
short.
yeah, go out the outflow
Yeah, they
last
sell a
out,
lot of ETF today, right?
yeah, uh, it's
That's
around
like, oh,
300.
it's time to rake in some money for Christmas.
Yeah, yeah, maybe because when I see, I check the last amount of outflow is from the Fidelity FBTC. But sometimes I also think that they the money outflow this company and go inflow to the other company because
Yeah,
of the fee. Sometimes it's because of the fee. Example, last time we see the rate scale sell a lot because the fee is 1.5%. Yeah, and they go out rate scale example, and then from rate scale they go into the BlackRock or they go
or one
into the other company mm, with the lower fee, management fee for the ETF.
1.5% fee is very high.
Yeah, yeah, that's uh, but with the rate scale, they have two options, GBTC and BTC, because uh, uh, I can't remember. I still know that this option is the fee is lower with the small amount, maybe, and this one is a large amount. Yeah, that's why some people withdraw from outflow with the high fee and they inflow to the lower fee. Yeah, that's why this one just 0.50%, very low fee. That is
At the same time,
something.
right? Well, while all this is happening, the money that's coming in and out here and there, somehow it get filtered elsewhere as well. Yeah. So at the same time, in terms of geopolitics, the guy up there in the office is keep calling for war. So that's quite a worrying thing at the moment. Yeah. So and then someone mentioned on X.com, he said, "Oh, now they are going to use the same washing powder again to tell the world to try to start a war." I'm not too sure. Yeah. So there's something for us to watch out for as well. Yeah, so apparently the sentiments and uh, the, the sentiments from that office trying to push the world into war is becoming more and more real right now. So and if a large scale war is just going to happen, and then I think we will be in for some knee jerks in the market as well. Yeah, so and apparently I think all these institutions when they dump BTC, I think it's also partly because of what the guy in the office has been talking about when he's tried to start war or try to mess with Venezuela, try to mess with a lot of different countries and try to push them into the brink of war. At the end of the day, it's all about fear, you know. Yeah, so when they push fear, they are able to sell weapons, and that's the main thing that they are doing right now. And these are the things that are also surrounding, or rather, they are on the edge of how stock market and crypto market is doing. Yeah, so as long as there's some activities there, it will push the market to do something, just something, you know. Yeah, if the market is just normal and once there is information or news or intention that's being delivered from the office, then people just start to get worried, you know. Yeah, people start to, okay, maybe I should just sell and hold, sell now and then keep what I have and then see what's going on later. Yeah, so I believe this is basically what is happening right now. Yeah, of course, not 100% of the people are feeling that. Yeah, they are still, the other half of the world, they are still very chill. Yeah, so until when if things escalate and become worse, and then it become a bigger problem, and then we'll see how things how the market can move from there. Yeah. So, but let's hope and pray that nothing serious is going to happen. Yeah, in the war department over there. Yeah, let's just hope that peace remains, and let's hope that the Middle East and Ukraine side, let's hope that everything settles down so that we can trade normally. I don't want to trade when the market becomes so uncertain, and then you just keep jumping up and down for no reason. Yeah, Mr. Richard.
Yeah, because I hear that you mentioned about the Ukraine.
Yeah,
Some news I hear that Ukraine will give up to join the NATO, and they may this may bring
yeah,
a weakness.
yeah.
Uh,
The thing is, I heard that too. One moment they say they're going to give up to try for NATO. The next moment they say, oh, we still want. They are always switching here and there. and then the guy in the office says, "Oh, we are going to pull out from NATO. We are not going to give any financial support." Then the next moment you don't know what he's going to do next. Yeah. So this is the kind of uncertainty that he is giving to the world. Yeah, it's just that each time he says something, the world is like, okay, we're just going to believe him half of what he says, and cross our finger that hope he doesn't change his mind the next minute. So at the end of the day, it is still anything can happen until when until Ukraine war is officially stopped, and then even if it officially signed and stopped, we'll still have to wait for the next 6 months to see that nothing just restart again. What I mean. So this is the thing that is worrying people. Even after the war is complete and signed and surrender or whatever that need to be done, maybe 6 months later they'll just start again. You never know. So we have to wait for a period of time before the market can be stabilized and all. Yeah, and let's hope that there's true peace in the world. Yeah,
let's hope for this because I also hear there's a war in the Asia between Thailand and Cambodia too. Yeah,
yeah, yeah.
it looks like people they want make money on the that is the reason
So
on industry.
yeah,
Now I am doing the DCA weekly before we complete the live stream this morning. Yeah, uh, hope you have a news week ahead with the new enthusiasm. Yeah, after doing this, we will complete the live stream. Yeah, Mr. Nicholas, you have something you want to share before we complete the live stream?
basically, yeah, thank you for watching, and and I hope you make some money, and of course exercise your due diligence when you trade any coins at all. Yeah, we see you in our
Yes,
next live stream.
let's